Hello, everybody, and welcome to my channel, Hot Wheels vending machine. This is new, but it's a fantasy casting. I'm not going to say what is what, you just have a look. Turtle. Wow, I see a Nissan wagon behind, but I have to buy this Ram charger. I think it's worth it, so I will buy. Okay, I have to get my money. One more time. So these are the two cars that I have bought. Nissan Maxima is really very nice. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.